Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic what 10 things we can learn from ants. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. We should learn about persistence and hard work from ants. In addition to strategic planning, a sense of discipline, unity, sharing spirit and patience. They show selflessness and loyalty to their fellow, courage, flexibility and a sense of independence. They have bigger goals, avoid diversions in their way, and show higher adaptability. Ants are pretty optimistic creatures that think positively and confidently when they come across any challenges, and they can optimize skills and resources correctly. Ants are determined organisms that are not afraid of doing hard work, as their nature is to work all day without sleeping for long hours. You can see them hauling food particles toward the nest and going back to the source of food to get more food. They have to deal with physical barriers like stones while foraging. Moreover, they rest when tired and continue their work afterward, but do not quit due to their hard-working nature. Ants are highly adaptable and show flexibility in their behavior as they change their diet and habitat according to external conditions. They have lesser tolerance to extreme moisture and temperature, so they have to reach places with moderate humidity and mild temperatures. You can find them shifting from outdoor nest to indoors when the weather is cold, because they risk death at lower temperatures and need warmth to maintain ideal body temperature. Ants do not solely depend on nature for food and shelter, but they plan strategically for the future to avoid inconvenience like dehydration and starvation. They look ahead and plan to collect the food when plenty of food is available to them by making less effort. This collected food can help them survive in winter during food scarcity. Ants are loyal creatures and they do not betray their friends and try to protect each other till death. Moreover, they do not leave dead fellows alone and bury them. They are loyal to queens and other nest mates, making every possible effort to feed the colony and ensure survival by fighting off predators. Ants show patience, which helps them to have successful lives. They do not get tired of working, as their motivation is to store food for winter. They have to work more than other organisms to live a better life, as they cannot tolerate starvation for more than a few weeks. So they have to be patient in the summer and do work like robots. Ants work in a selfless manner, as they know their purpose in life and keep doing relevant tasks. Accordingly, they remain busy in their assigned tasks according to their abilities. Workers collect food and feed the colony their whole life, while the queen keeps laying eggs to sustain the colonies. In addition, males are born to transfer sperm to the queen and die immediately. A long marching trail of ants is a perfect example of discipline when they follow each other in a straight row. Moreover, they have a particular routine to follow from day to night. You rarely see a scattered group of these insects when they feel distress or get disturbed due to any unpleasant odor or physical interference. Ants have a sharing spirit in a colony, transferring collected food to the colony as they feed the larvae and queen. This sharing spirit is only for their colony members, as these territorial insects do not tolerate any interference in their nest, not even from the insect of other species. These insects never eat alone and regurgitate the food from the stomach to transfer into the mouth of the larvae and pupae, because they depend on workers for their nutrition. You can learn consistency from ants, as they make all efforts to reach their destination without considering hurdles. They do not bother diversions like small stones and water. They are not afraid of climbing stones, which seems like hills to these tiny creatures. They move higher on the stones and cross the barrier instead of returning. Ants are pretty flexible in their behavior, as they can find alternate ways to accomplish a particular goal. For example, they do not ignore pheromone trails and follow the chemical cues to move. They show behavioral flexibility in addition to the flexibility of the muscular body, providing enough strength to carry heavy particles on their back. Moreover, they are omnivores and change their eating patterns according to food availability. They can eat plant and animal-based foods like seeds, fruits, leaves, dead insects, etc. Thanks for watching the video.